Hello children, I hope you are all healthy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will sing, dance, listen to stories and have lots of fun together. Are you ready to have fun? Then please stand up and join me in a dance. बच्चों, टीवी के सामने खड़े हो जाइए और मेरे साथ एक डांस में जुड़ जाइए.
All these animals in the zoo, all day long, what do they do? Walk, talk, study, no, they dance. All these animals in the zoo, how do you think do the snakes dance? They wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle and wiggle. All these animals in the zoo, how do you think do the penguins dance? They waddle. Waddle, waddle, waddle and waddle. All these animals in the zoo, how do you think do the elephants dance? They sway. Sway, sway, sway and sway.
Children, now I would like to ask you a few questions. Let us share our thoughts and ideas. बच्चों, अब मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहूंगी. Children, when you look around yourself, can you name a few plants and trees? बच्चों, जब आप अपने आसपास देखते हैं, तो क्या आप उन पौधों और पेड़ों के नाम बता सकते हैं? I can see a neem tree outside my house. I can also see a mango tree and a mogra plant. Children, there are lots of varieties of plants and trees around us. Wouldn't it be wonderful if we would be able to name each of them? Okay, children, now can you tell me, do you think trees help us? बच्चों, क्या आपको लगता है कि पेड़ हमारी मदद करते हैं? Yes, trees help us in so many ways. They give us wood to build a house. They give us fruits to eat. They give us shade by spreading their branches. They also give us beautiful flowers. Trees also give us oxygen. They give us fresh air that we breathe. Trees also are said to attract rain. They pull the rain clouds and help rain fall regularly. Children, can you tell me how do we help trees? बच्चों, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि हम पेड़ों की मदद कैसे करते हैं? Yes, we can also help trees by growing more trees. every time we cut a tree, we should at least grow 10 more trees. We can make sure to water the tree regularly and not unnecessarily cut the trees. Trees are our best friends. We must always take care of them. So children, today let's learn more about the plant kingdom. We will learn about different types of plants and trees. Children, while learning a language, it is very important to keep learning new words. Now, I would like to share with you a few new words. Please listen to me carefully and note them down in your notebook. बच्चों, अब मैं आपको कुछ नए शब्द बताने वाली हूँ. इन्हें गौर से सुनें और अपनी नोटबुक में नोट करें. Children, we will come across these words in the lesson we'll be reading today. The first word is kingdom. 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 The second word is moss. 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 The third word is shrub. 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 The fourth word is herb. 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 Children, let me repeat the words once again for you. Kingdom, moss, herb, and shrub. Children, please look out for these words while we are reading the lesson. Children, we will be reading a lovely poem today. Please open to page number 77. An action rhyme and point to the words as we read. If you don't have a textbook, then please see your TV screens and listen to me carefully. बच्चों, अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो प्लीज पेज नंबर 77 पर उसे खोलें और मेरी आवाज गौर से सुनें. कुछ इस तरीके से अपनी उंगली शब्दों पर रखें जब हम उन्हें पढ़ रहे हैं. An action rhyme. Like a leaf or a feather in the windy, windy weather, we will all twirl around and all sink down together. Like a bud or a flower getting soaked in a shower, we will all sway about and all dance together. Children, in this poem, the poet is talking about the beautiful weather. When it is a windy, windy weather, all the leaves and the feathers twirl around. All the plants sink down together. The flowers and the buds get soaked in the shower when it rains. They all sway and dance together. The poet says that when it rains and when it is windy, all of us children should also get together and dance and sway and twirl around. Children, now we'll be reading a very interesting lesson. The title of the lesson is The Kingdom of Plants. If you have a textbook, please open to page number 78 and point to the words as I read. If you don't have a textbook, Please see your TV screens and listen to me carefully. बच्चों, अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो प्लीज पेज नंबर 78 खोलें और कुछ इस तरीके से अपनी उंगली शब्दों पर रखें जब मैं उन्हें पढ़ रही हूं। अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो टीवी की ओर देखें और मेरी आवाज गौर से सुनें। The kingdom of plants. Let us take a trip to the kingdom of plants. What a great variety! There are thousands and thousands of different types of plants here. This is moss. Children, can you see this picture? This is a big rock on which we can see something green. This is all moss. This is moss. It is soft. It looks like a bright green carpet. Children, moss grows usually in damp places. It does not have roots or flowers. It looks like a lush green carpet. What is it called once again? It's called moss. Look at the grass. This too is soft, green and short. Children, can you see the grass here? Don't you just love walking on soft green grass? I love it when this grass tickles my feet. They say it's a very good exercise to walk on green grass bare feet. But do you know rice, wheat and jowar are also types of grass. They give us grain. This plant has a thin stem and so many leaves. It is a herb. Children, can you see this? This is a herb. It has very thin stems and so many leaves. Herbs are said to have medicinal value. Tulsi is a herb. This plant has a tough stem and so many branches. It has many leaves too. It is a bush or shrub. Children, can you see this? This plant has a tough stem. It has so many branches and also so many leaves. It is called a bush. Another example is right here. And look at this. What a thick trunk. It is so tall. It's a tree. Can you climb a tree? I would love to climb the chiku tree as a little girl. I would climb on the chiku tree and pluck chikus. Children, this is the trunk of a tree. Many little animals like the squirrel live inside the hole of the trunk of the tree. What do we see here climbing this tree? This is a climber. Such plants are very thin and weak, so they stick to another tree or stronger plant and grow. It's a climber or a vine. These plants grow very fast. Grapes grow on a vine. Be very careful with this plant. It's a cactus. It has many thorns. The thorns can prick you. This is a cactus. Cactus usually grow in deserts. Children, do you know why the cactus has thorns? The cactus has thorns and not big leaves so that it releases less water and keeps more water inside its body. Cactus usually grow in deserts. The plant kingdom is a beautiful kingdom. Would you like to grow a plant? I'm sure we all would love to grow plants. Children, let's do an activity now. In this activity, you will see on your screen images of different plants or trees. You have to name the plant or the tree given in the image. बच्चों, अब हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे जिसमें आपको तस्वीरें स्क्रीन पर दिखाई देंगी। आपको तस्वीर में दिए गए पौधे या पेड़ का नाम पहचानना है। Would you like to give this a try? Then come, let's begin. Children, I hope you were able to identify the names of the plants or trees. Come, let me tell you the answers. Papaya, banyan, palm tree, neem tree, and mango tree. Children, I hope you were able to recognize the names of the plants and trees. Children, today I have a very special guest with me. Miss Pradnya will help us learn how to have a conversation, how to speak with people and get to know them. Welcome, Miss Pradnya.
Thank you for having me here.
Children, I would like you to know that Miss Pradnya will be with us during this activity. Miss Pradnya, would you like to say hi to the children?
Hello children.
बच्चों, आज हम जो एक्टिविटी करेंगे उसमें मिस प्रज्ञा हमारी मदद करेंगे ये सीखने में कि हम दूसरों के साथ कैसे बातचीत करें और उनके बारे में और भी कैसे जानें। So children, are you ready? Miss Pradnya, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, then let's start. Children, please pay attention to what we are speaking with each other. बच्चों, हमारी बातचीत को गौर से सुने। Miss Pradnya, what is your favorite food dish?
I love eating gulab jamun.
Oh, wonderful.
Miss Janissa, what is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is a Gujarati dish. It's called handwa.
Ah, I love handwa.
Okay. Now, Miss Pradnya, who is your favorite sports player?
That's a tough one. But Sachin Tendulkar will always be my favorite sports player.
Okay.
Now, can you tell me who is your favorite sports player?
My favorite sports person is Mr. MS Dhoni. Okay, now let me ask her another question. Miss Pradnya, which is your favorite song?
This is a very difficult question, but my current favorite song is "Ae Watan Mere Abaad Rahe Tu." Now, Janessa, can you tell me your favorite song?
My favorite song is Vande Mataram. Oh, okay. Now, let me ask her another question. Miss Pradnya, how do you come to school?
I come to school by bus. Miss Janessa, how do you come to school?
I come to school by auto. Okay. Now, Miss Pradnya, can you tell me what time do you reach home after school?
So, the school gets over at 4 o'clock and I reach home by 4:30. Now, Miss Janessa, can you tell me when do you reach home?
I reach home by 6 o'clock as I live a little further down. Okay, now can you tell me, Miss Pradnya, where do you go for a walk in the evening?
Every evening I make sure that I go to the park for a walk and I always take my grandfather with me.
Wonderful.
Now, Miss Janessa, can you tell me where do you go for a walk after school?
After school, there is a ground near my house. That's where I go for a walk with my pet dog.
Oh, what is the name of your dog?
The name of my dog is Louise.
Nice.
Okay, now one last question. Miss Pradnya, what do you like to do?
I love reading books. Miss Janessa, what do you like to do?
I love to dance.
Amazing.
So children, here you see, by asking simple questions, there was so much that I was able to learn about Miss Pradnya. And I also shared my own likings and hobbies with Miss Pradnya. And I felt very good. Children, I hope you like this activity. And next time you meet new people or a few people you would like to be friends with, please ask them a few questions and also talk more about yourself. Children, let's thank Miss Pradnya for helping us understand how to have a conversation, how to learn more about people around us. Thank you, Miss Pradnya.
You are welcome.
Thank you, children.
Bye-bye.
Children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. I would now request you all to please make some time and draw the structure of a plant and also label its parts. You can draw a plant and label all its parts like roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Children, till we meet next time, please take care. Bye-bye and stay safe.